Schrödinger's cat is the most famous thought experiment in science. It appears in films, textbooks, and popular culture worldwide. Almost nobody knows it was a private letter to Einstein, never intended for publication. Schrödinger would have been horrified by what it became.
The context was the EPR paper. Einstein had sent Schrödinger a copy before publication. The two began a private correspondence about whether quantum mechanics was complete. Schrödinger was sympathetic. He wanted to illustrate for Einstein alone how ridiculous Copenhagen became at everyday scales. The cat was a rhetorical weapon. Schrödinger was saying to Einstein, if superposition is real at quantum scales and quantum mechanics applies to everything, a cat connected to a quantum trigger must also exist in superposition, alive and dead simultaneously. This conclusion is clearly insane. Therefore, quantum mechanics must be incomplete. Einstein loved the thought experiment. He wrote back that it illustrated the problem perfectly. Neither man expected it to escape their private correspondence. Neither man expected physicists to start taking the alive and dead cat seriously as a genuine description of quantum reality. The thought experiment escaped its private context when Schrödinger included a version in a paper later that year. He presented it as a reductio ad absurdum, a demonstration that Copenhagen was unacceptable. A generation of physicists who had accepted Copenhagen received it as a fascinating question about where quantum behavior ended and classical behavior began.
Schrödinger wrote the cat to prove quantum mechanics was broken. Instead, he gave it one of its most productive thought experiments. He created it by accident, trying to end a debate. It started 100 years of new ones. Got a quantum topic you want covered? Drop it in the comments.